Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Priya. Today we'll know about the issue that is happening between the state government of AP and State Election Commission. As you all know, AP government promulgated an ordinance removing the State Election Commissioner. AP government brought an amendment in the AP Panchayat Raj Act 1994, changing the tenure, eligibility and method of appointment of State Election Commissioner. Today the High Court scrapped the ordinance issued by AP government. Now before knowing the details of the ordinance, let us first know about the State Election Commission. 73rd and 74th Amendment of Constitutional Amendment Act paved the way for the creation of two constitutional bodies, that is Panchayat Raj and municipalities. For conducting the elections, Constitution permitted for creating a body called State Election Commission. That is why from 1992 in every state there is a body called State Election Commission. And this State Election Commission is responsible for conducting elections of Panchayat Raj and municipalities. That is why every state passed an act called Panchayat Raj Act and Municipalities Act. For conducting the elections, the Constitution permitted for creating a body called State Election Commission. That is why from 1992 in every state there is a body called State Election Commission, and this State Election Commission is responsible for conducting the elections of Panchayat Raj and municipalities. That is why every state passed an act called Panchayat Raj Act and Municipalities Act. Those acts mention the tenure of State Election Commissioner. Basically, for the removal of the Election Commissioner, Constitution made it very clear that a State Election Commission can be removed in the same manner and procedure like that of a judge of a High Court. Now what is the procedure for removal of Judge of High Court? The Judge of Supreme Court or High Court is removed by the process of impeachment. The President is authorized to remove the Judge from his office only after an address by Parliament has been presented to him in the same session for such removal. Now let us see the issue that is actually happened between the state government and State Election Commission. The Panchayat Raj elections to be conducted in AP, and parallelly government was issuing the guidelines for the safety of people about coronavirus. During that time, AP government wanted to go for the Panchayat Raj elections, but the State Election Commissioner Mr. Ramesh Kumar, he issued the order of postponing elections, because if people will come out and gather, they may suffer with the deadly virus. That is why he issued an order of postponing elections. Government went to court, but court also gave the judgment in favor of State Election Commissioner. So government took a decision and it approached governor to issue an ordinance. Now let us see the amendments made by government of AP on Andhra Pradesh Panchayati Raj Act 1994. Government has now proposed to allot the job to retired High Court judge. Currently it is for an officer who served as Principal Secretary. Government has also reduced the tenure to 3 years from 5 years. Mr. Ramesh Kumar tenure came to an end and he was removed from the post of State Election Commission, and new retired judge Mr. Kanagaraj was made a new Andhra Pradesh State Election Commissioner. Now let us see why High Court scrapped the ordinance. As I said earlier, today High Court scrapped the ordinance issued by AP government. The court ruled that state government had no power to promote the ordinance under Article 213 of the Constitution in the given circumstances. Now what is this Article 213? Governor of the Indian state draws ordinance making power from Article 213 of the Constitution of India. This article empowers governor to promulgate ordinance during recess of the legislature if circumstances exist which render it necessary from him to take immediate action. Court quashed the government order appointed of retired Judge V. Kanagaraj as new State Election Commissioner, and it restored the retired bureaucrat Nimmagadda Ramesh Kumar as Andhra Pradesh State Election Commissioner. This was the issue that was happening between State Election Commissioner and Government of AP. Hope this information is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.